Trading activities on the floor of the Nigerian exchange NGX closed Tuesday with a loss of 25 billion in the market capitalization, as the all-share index SI decreased by 0.09% to close at 48,853.54 points. As of the close of the market on Tuesday, the stock market value stood at 26.6 trillion. Again, the market breadth went in the negative as Smurfit led 13 gainers with 16 losers, topped by SCOA at the end of Tuesday's session. Sterling Bank emerged the top traded stock with a total of 31.6 million units, followed by GTCO and Chams. On the value chart, MTN Nigeria recorded the highest with 2.6 billion, while GTCO and Zenith Bank recorded 493.3 million naira and 323.6 million naira respectively. Today we are joined by Ambrose Omodion, the Chief Research Officer at Investitor Consulting. He joins us. He's here with us in the studio. Good morning, Ambrose. It's nice to join us.
Thanks for having me again.
Let's start with the market yesterday. We saw that the market went negative. In your own expert opinion, what was responsible for this?
You know, I like the language of market went negative. When I listen to some channels, say market was down. You know, for me, market is not doing what it's supposed to do. After market have rallied for almost 4 straight weeks on the up direction, seeing a slowdown yesterday is not surprising because market is about to breathe out to also gather momentum to continue the uptrend. Also yesterday was just a profit taking in some few stocks, especially the high cap stock like MTN that will put the market down. But the good thing again is that because we're seeing these high cap stocks supporting the market in up direction, whenever also there's a kind of a depreciation in the price of this high cap, it will reflect on the. But the good thing for investors to look at what is the momentum or the sentiment behind the market as we speak now. As at yesterday, the market pulled back, momentum remained above 100, telling you that the market is still very, very intact. And also, if you look at the chart we're going to discuss later, it tells you that when I look at it, I don't need to panic because it tells me actually that the market is still on the right course.
Yes.
If the market pull back today again, it doesn't mean that I'm supposed to panic. If you continue uptrend, good, because market pull back today again, that creates opportunity for people to buy low, because the high yield we are looking at in the high dividend we are looking at the market will become more interesting. Because when the price pull back, you see that the yields, and also these companies that are pulling back or going up, we have seen their Q3 number that they have performed excellently. For that, what we are seeing in the market, what we see in the market yesterday was a kind of for me, I'm not surprised, because it's part of profit-taking activities that happened in the market yesterday. For me, let investors relax because already this morning we are seeing the market making an uptrend as we speak. For me, it's a good thing for the market. All right,
that's a very good one. Now, when we look at the market breadth, we saw that it closed negative, while we had 13 gainers and 16 losers. What does this mean for the market?
I said earlier that if you look at the intraday market metrics, you can see that it's a mixed one. Yeah. And I believe that investors should not panic on the market breadth because one, it's just because we're seeing people trying to buy into low cap stock, and that really impacted positively on the board. For the negative market breadth, it won't last. As we're coming closer to the end of the year, we'll see. And also, don't forget I said in this program that once we enter the second half of the last month of the year, today is already 14. That means that for 15 next week, we're already in that second half. We expect to see activities improving because end of the year seasonality is closer, and also the Santa Claus already has been on the move.
Yeah, that's what I want to really talk about. That Santa Claus rally. Let's look at it really. What should investors be looking at now, considering the Santa Claus rally that everybody is waiting for?
Actually, people ask me, is it already in the market? I say, yes, already in the market because today is 14th of December, and it started from the month of November, I would say. Yeah. Because if you see the market, I maintained that uptrend, and as I said yesterday again, information that came to the market will be a plus for the market. Yesterday, the shareholders of Dangote Cement give a note that it should go ahead and do their 10% buyback. And don't forget that the market sustained uptrend has a lot of buy interest in industrial goods, which Boa Cement have moved from as low as 47 naira to almost 95 as at yesterday.
Wow.
In less than 1 month. This is what I've given investors. And also, if shareholders are also giving a note for Dangote to go ahead and do the 10% buyback, and also they're not going to either give bonus, but because of that buyback they're doing, because they're already reducing their share in issue, it's going to be a plus for Dangote Cement going to the future, because you're buying back, you're cutting down your share. That means that will impact your numbers, your earnings positively. For me, it's a good one. And this is also another high cap stock. Dangote Cement, Boa, Nestle, Etse, and MTN. These are the stock that always move the market whenever they are on the uptrend. For me, it's a good thing for the market. That means market will likely come back. Now, it has already break up the 49,000 line. For me, it's a good thing for the market.
Yeah, I can see that you're looking at the chart. So let's take us through some of the numbers on the chart. So
yeah, the chart is very, very interesting this morning.
Okay.
If you look at this, what we will call an up channel or a bullish channel, any we can call it, but look like they are all testing the upper trend line. That means a breakout is imminent. We are seeing that market tested about 200 moving average, then almost crossing it now. It tested yesterday, but this morning, as I speak now, market have crossed 49,000 mark. That means market successfully crossed 200 days moving average. Who said that the strength in the market is very, very strong? Because whenever I see market crossing 20 days moving average, 50, 100 and 200, it said that this momentum is increasing on a daily basis. For me, now that we're seeing the chart on this trend, you can see from this chart now the green line up, can see that it always tested that a breakout of this one also that the strength in the market is good. But for me, this is a good omen for our market, and investors in this market should not panic. Like I said earlier, last week we saw a changing yield in the yield industry. Even today now been on another primary market option for TB. We're already saying that the yield has also declined further again as we speak this morning. This is a plus for equity market. And also don't forget that we're seeing on the news that people that were hiding money somewhere, the money are already rotting and other stuff.
Yes.
And this one will also come back to this to the system. And one way or the other, a habit of trickle down to the equity space. For me, it's a good thing for the market.
All right, because we know that tomorrow is the official deadline, December 15. That's what they gave. So we should we think that the market will look at it.
But I'm not. I'm looking at the inflation figure that will be coming tomorrow.
Yes,
yeah, that's what they're looking at. That is what going to kind of inform those in the physical market what to do. Yeah. If we still, but I believe that inflation will not slow down as for November. It might inch up to like 21.20 or 21.25. Right. If that happens, I think that you're still trading based in physical market in a red position further. For that, they might say, okay, in the shorter period, we'll have time to go to equity space and make money because the dividend yield in the market is high. I think that will also support them. As I said, if you're in equity market between now and January, I think last year, but and invest with knowledge. Don't just follow bandwagon. Let your investment objective guide you now to put your stop loss and also want to exit when you make profit. Don't be carried away by the upside market. Once you hit your target profit, take it because the same market that will give you that profit. If you didn't act, we'll take it back from you.
That's a very good one. Now let's look at today now. What should we be expecting today, December 14?
And I think that's what I wrote this morning. I said we expect the market to rebound today. And well, obviously, what I'm seeing this morning, I think that trend also sustained. The market already rebounded from yesterday's pullback we saw. For me, it's a good thing for the market investor. That from middle to end of the week, we expect this trend to continue, and that is a good thing for the market. And one thing again that people don't understand: if you're an equity trader, not all the noise in the market you listen to. Yes, there's a way you should filter the noise in the market. When you filter the market, look at the volume of stock you are in, look at the buying. That's why investor will send out what we call sentiment report on a daily basis, so that will tell you what is the activity behind the price. Because looking at the price, whether the price is 4 naira, 2 naira, you don't know, see a buy price or a sell price. That's why you need to know the sentiment behind the price you are holding, and whether you are to hold that position or to sell. That's why I say once you see all these things, sit down and get to how can I get information to know where I am. If the stock I'm positioned already is in a sell signal or what a buy signal is for, so this is hard to trade.
All right, that's a very good place to end the very interesting stock analysis. Thank you very much, Ambrose, for having me. Always coming with your charts to explain the numbers to us.
Thank you for having me.
Thank you very much. Yeah. And we shall now move on. Marketers in the country's petroleum sector have yet again kicked against the import monopoly held by the Nigerian National Petroleum Company Limited. We'll look at this more when we come back from this break.